Chinese EVs are eating the car market alive, and the brands that are winning aren't the ones you'd expect. Everyone talks about BYD, but there's a newer player that just showed up and handed BYD a direct challenge, and it costs less. This is the Geely EX5 versus the BYD Atto 3, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to buy. These two cars are fighting for the same buyer, someone who wants a practical electric SUV loaded with features without paying Tesla prices. Both come from China, both are front-wheel drive, both have 5-star safety ratings. On paper, they look almost identical, but when you dig into the details, the engineering choices, the real-world driving experience, the features you actually use every day, these two cars are very different. Let's break it down category by category. Let's start with money because that's where this fight gets interesting right away. The BYD Atto 3 starts at around $39,990 before on-road costs for the base essential trim and goes up to $44,990 for the premium. That's the car that gets you the bigger 60.5 kilowatt-hour battery, 420 kilometers of range, the 15.6-inch rotating screen, the panoramic sunroof, and heated front seats. For years, that was a very competitive price. BYD built its entire Australian market reputation on that number. Then, Geely walked in and priced the EX5 complete at $40,990 and the top spec Inspire at $44,990, matching the Atto 3 almost dollar for dollar. But the Inspire gives you massaging front seats, a 16-speaker sound system, flat folding front seats, and a panoramic sunroof with 11 separate opening stages. Massaging seats at $44,990. That's a feature you'd normally find in cars costing $70,000 or more. Why did Geely do this? Because they're not just trying to sell cars, they're trying to build a brand from scratch in markets where nobody knows the Geely name. They own Volvo, they own Polestar, Zeekr, Lotus, and Lynk & Co., but most buyers in Australia or Europe don't know that yet. So, Geely is doing what every new player does. Price aggressively, load the car with features, and force people to pay attention. It's working. The EX5 is already the most exported battery electric crossover in its class out of China. On pure value for your money, the EX5 wins this round. You get more equipment for the same price. Now, looks are personal, but there are still objective things worth talking about here. The Geely EX5 measures 4,615 millimeters long, 1,901 millimeters wide, and 1,670 millimeters tall. The Atto 3 is noticeably smaller, 4,455 millimeters long, 1,875 millimeters wide, and 1,615 millimeters tall. The EX5 is 160 millimeters longer and 55 millimeters taller. That's not just a number, that's real, visible size difference when you park them next to each other. The EX5 physically looks like a bigger car, which matters if you're using it as a family vehicle. The EX5 has a drag coefficient of 0.269. That's genuinely impressive for an SUV. To put that in context, it's lower than many sedans. Geely achieved this through a carefully sculpted roofline, flush door handles, and a sealed front fascia, the kind of aerodynamic work you'd expect from a car costing significantly more. Why does this matter? Because a lower drag coefficient directly reduces how much energy the car needs to move through air at highway speeds, which means more efficient battery use and more range in real-world driving. The Atto 3 has a more traditional SUV shape, rounder, softer lines with BYD's ocean-inspired design language. It's inoffensive and clean, but several reviewers have noted that the EX5 draws a bit more from the visual language of European brands, which some buyers find derivative, while others see it as aspirational. The Atto 3 has its own identity, and if you've seen BYD's other cars, you'll recognize it immediately. One thing worth noting, the Atto 3 has been on Australian roads since 2022. You see them everywhere. If you care about standing out, the EX5 is the fresher face. The Atto 3 is the established choice. Neither is wrong, it depends on what you want. On pure size and aerodynamic engineering, the EX5 has the edge. On brand recognition and road presence from familiarity, the Atto 3 holds its own. Here's where things get very practical for daily driving. The Geely EX5 uses a single front-mounted permanent magnet synchronous motor producing 220 kilowatts, that's 218 horsepower, and 320 newton-meters of torque. It does 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.9 seconds and tops out at 175 kilometers per hour. The battery is a 62 kilowatt lithium iron phosphate pack with 60.2 kilowatts of usable capacity, giving it a WLTP range of 430 kilometers on the Complete and 410 kilometers on the Inspire trim. So the EX5 has a 10 kilowatt motor advantage, 10 newton meters more torque, and slightly more range. In real-world driving, that motor difference won't change your daily life dramatically. Both cars feel quick enough for city driving and highway merging, but the performance gap is real, and the EX5 gets to 100 kilometers per hour about half a second quicker than the Atto 3. The bigger story is the aerodynamics feeding into real-world range. That 0.269 drag coefficient means the EX5 holds its range at motorway speeds better than its rated figure suggests. The Atto 3's rated range is solid, but it's been on sale long enough that owners have real data, and highway range can drop to around 330 to 350 kilometers at consistent 110 kilometers per hour. Both cars use LFP blade battery technology, which means they can be charged to 100% every single day without the battery degrading as fast as NMC chemistry batteries do. BYD invented the blade battery concept and warrants their pack for 8 years or 160,000 kilometers. Geely's LFP pack is equally robust, but the brand is newer to the international market, so long-term field data is still coming in. On performance and efficiency, the Geely EX5 leads. The Atto 3's proven track record on battery longevity is still a genuine point in its favor. This is where the Geely EX5 makes its biggest statement. Walk into the EX5 Inspire and the first thing you notice is the front seats. They have a 5-layer cushion construction, a zero-sensation relief layer, a ventilation layer, a heating layer, and a high-density foam base. They also massage. At this price point, this is extraordinary. The front seats also fold completely flat, turning the car into a sleeping space. That's a feature that opens up the EX5 for weekend road trips, camping, or even just taking a nap during a long journey. No competitor at this price point offers this. The EX5 cabin has a 67.2% space utilization rate, meaning Geely engineered the platform to maximize the cabin relative to the car's external footprint. The rear seats feel genuinely spacious. The panoramic sunroof has 11 adjustable opening stages, UV blocking glass, and rain-sensing auto-close. The cabin noise at 120 kilometers per hour is rated at just 68.3 decibels, which is very quiet for a car in this segment. The Atto 3 Premium has BYD's signature 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen, which can sit in landscape or portrait mode. It's a party trick that genuinely works. Portrait mode is great for navigation maps, landscape for media. The interface is clean and responsive. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless on the Premium. The instrument cluster is a 5-inch digital display, which is small by modern standards, but functional. One area where the Atto 3 has historically fallen short is smartphone integration. Geely's system on the EX5 is newer and runs on a more modern software platform, but both cars have faced criticism in this department compared to Korean or Japanese competition. The EX5's tech is more ambitious. It includes a full ADAS suite with adaptive cruise control, autonomous lane changing on highways, and emergency braking. The Atto 3 also has driver assistance features, but the EX5 system feels more current. Storage in both cars is practical. The Atto 3 has 440 liters of boot space. The EX5 is competitive in cargo space too, helped by its larger external dimensions. Interior technology goes to the EX5. The Atto 3 still offers a genuinely good cabin, but the massaging seats and flat fold front seats at this price are things BYD simply cannot match. Both cars have 5-star ratings, but the details matter. The Geely EX5 earned 5 stars from both Euro NCAP and ANCAP, two separate independent testing organizations. Euro NCAP is widely considered the harder test. The EX5 scored 86% for adult occupant protection and 87% for child occupant protection in ANCAP testing. It also picked up full marks in side impact and far side impact testing. One asterisk, during the frontal offset crash test, a weld detachment around the A-pillar was noted and a structural penalty was applied. It still passed with 5 stars overall, but that detail is worth knowing. The BYD Atto 3 also holds a 5-star ANCAP rating, awarded back in 2023. The Atto 3 has been tested, retested, and sold in large numbers, so the safety data is mature and proven in the field. BYD's e-Platform 3.0 that underpins the Atto 3 was designed specifically for electric vehicles, with a reinforced battery cell structure and a body built to absorb and redirect crash energy. On warranty, BYD offers 6 years or 150,000 kilometers on the vehicle and 8 years or 160,000 kilometers on the battery. This is industry-leading and reflects BYD's confidence in their LFP blade battery technology. Geely's warranty terms in international markets are competitive but shorter in vehicle coverage, which matters if you plan to keep the car for a long time. Safety, it's effectively a tie on the rating, with BYD having a longer track record on the road. The EX5's A-pillar note is worth researching, but it hasn't stopped either Euro NCAP or ANCAP from awarding it full marks. Charging speed determines how useful a long-distance trip actually is. The Atto 3 Essential maxes out at 70 kilowatt DC fast charging. The Atto 3 Premium jumps to 88 kilowatts. At 88 kilowatts, BYD says you can go from 30% to 80% state of charge in around 29 minutes. On AC, the Atto 3 Premium accepts up to 11 kilowatts, which means a full charge overnight on a home wall box takes around 6.5 hours. The Geely EX5 supports DC fast charging as well, with the platform designed for quick top-ups. The EX5's charging architecture is newer, built for the current generation of public charging infrastructure. Real-world charging data from independent testers is still accumulating since the car is so new to international markets, which is a legitimate consideration. The Atto 3 also has vehicle-to-load functionality, VTL, meaning you can plug devices or even small appliances directly into the car and run them off the battery. This is useful for camping, outdoor events, or emergency power at home. The EX5 also supports VTL, keeping pace with this increasingly important feature. On charging, the Atto 3's 88 kilowatt DC cap is proven, tested, and documented by independent users. The EX5's charging system is capable but newer, and real-world user data will take time to accumulate at scale. Here's the honest summary. The Atto 3 is the safe choice. It's been on the road for 3 years. Thousands of owners have driven hundreds of thousands of kilometers in it. The dealer network is established. The battery warranty is exceptional. The charging speeds are proven. If you want certainty and a brand that has already earned its reputation in the electric vehicle market, the Atto 3 is a solid, reliable answer. The Geely EX5 is the bold choice. It's bigger, more powerful, more aerodynamically efficient, and loaded with features that the Atto 3 can't touch at the same price, especially those massaging seats and flat folding front seats. It's built by a company that owns Volvo and Polestar, engineered by global design centers across Europe and Asia, and priced aggressively to build market share fast. If you want more car for your money and you're comfortable being an early adopter of a newer name, the EX5 gives you more. If you drive mostly around the city and want peace of mind with a proven product, BYD Atto 3 Premium. If you cover longer distances, want a bigger cabin, want the most features for your dollar, and aren't afraid of a newer name, Geely EX5 Inspire. Both are good cars, but the EX5 is genuinely threatening, and BYD knows it. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss another deep dive comparison like this one.